when the claim is less than the workman compensation reserve. So 40,000 we will make the debit, 40,000 को हमने डेबिट कर दिया और वी हैव क्लेम ऑफ रुपीज़ 25,000. तो वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन को क्लेम हमने क्या किया, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन को क्लेम हमने 25,000 दे दिया. अब नाउ वी हैव लेफ्ट ओनली 15,000. तो 50,000 वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द ओल्ड प्रॉफिट्स, ओल्ड पार्टनर्स in their old profit sharing ratio. तो old profit sharing 2:3 है, तो 2:3 के अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइड कर दें तो 6,000 A will get and B will get 9,000. Okay, so this was our case number 3, second. So now we will tackle the case number 3 when the claim is equal to the reserve. So सोचो करो कि भाई हमारे पास देखो वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व भी है 40,000 का और क्लेम भी हमारे पास आ गया 40,000 का. तो अब क्या यहाँ पे कुछ बच रहा है भाई, हमारे पास जब रिजर्व में से कुछ पैसा बैलेंस हो जाएगा जब भी तो पार्टनर्स को कुछ मिलेगा. तो यहाँ पे नथिंग, A and B will get nothing from the workman compensation reserve because the workman compensation reserve and the claim is equal. ठीक है, तो दोनों क्या है, बराबर है. तो जर्नल एंट्री क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे वी विल मेक द डेबिट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट विथ 40,000 टू वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन क्लेम अकाउंट. भाई 40,000 हमने यहाँ पे पे कर दिया. ठीक है, सो मेक द क्लेम फुल्ली विथ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, थर्ड केस में वी हैव reserve of workman compensation reserve is equal to 40,000 and claim arises during the year rupees 40,000. So whole the amount will be distributed, whole the amount will be adjusted against the workman compensation claim account. So nothing will be left for the old partners. So this was the our treatment of case number 3rd. Now we will handle the case number 5th. Okay, अभी हम लोग केस नंबर 5 देखते हैं. तो केस नंबर व्हेन द क्लेम इज़ मोर दैन द रिजर्व, यानी कि हमारे पास वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व बेटा जो कितना है 40,000 और एज पर द क्वेश्चन गिवन यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन क्लेम इज़ हियर 50,000, यानी कि हमारे पास बाय रिजर्व तो 40,000 का बट द क्लेम अराइजेज रुपीज़ 50,000. तो नाउ हाउ इट विल बी हैंडल. So first of all we will make the journal entry like workman compensation reserve account. We have to make the debit with rupees 40,000. Okay, so we have deficiency or we have the deficiency of rupees 10,000. So this 10,000 we will compensate from the revaluation account. So we will make the revaluation account debit to revaluation account debit with 10,000. Okay, to workman compensation claim account because the claim was rupees 50,000. Okay, so the whole amount is adjusted 40,000 and the rest that was the deficiency of 10,000 we compensated it from the revaluation account by debiting the revaluation account. So whole the amount was adjusted and we have loss of rupees 10,000 because we have created only 40,000 reserve but the claim arises during the year rupees 50,000. Okay, so this loss is this is the loss also. So loss should also be distributed among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So for this purpose we will make the journal entry like this. So we will make the partners capital account debit. So we will do that पार्टनर्स कैपिटल यानी कि इज कैपिटल अकाउंट, इज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिटेड and B's capital account debited to revaluation account. ओके, सो रिवैल्यूएशन पे लॉस हमारा कितना है 10,000 का, तो 5 टू टू जा 4 और 2 3 जा 6. So this is the loss of rupees 4,000. By loss will be shared by A of rupees 4,000 and B will share the loss of rupees 6,000. So the narration will be here. The loss on revaluation is shared by all partner in all sharing ratio. Okay, so workman compensation reserve exhausted and deficiency adjusted from revaluation account. तो दिस वाज द नरेशन. सो बेटा इस तरीके से इस क्वेश्चन को वी विल सॉल्व. सो आई हैव टेकन ऑल द केसेस here. So we have taken the case number first, okay, and we have taken the case number second, and we have taken the case number third, and we have taken the case number fourth. So in this way we will tackle or handle the question number 26. So okay, so I hope students you got the question very well. So answer you can match here. Okay, so if you have also feel that's our explanation, or you have needed any more suggestion, or you are unable to solve these types of the question, I will help you. So okay, so this is our 26 number question. So now we will solve the practical question number 28, that is based on the investment fluctuation reserve in the coming video. Okay, till then, goodbye.